My biggest financial goal, I would say, is to achieve my FAR number. So for me, my FAR number is 6 crores, which I've calculated.
I too have one.
Oh, what's your FAR number?
50 crores.
50 crores? What?
Hi Chandralekha. I wanted to know one thing that you love about your job and one thing that you hate about your job.
इसके मैं जब चाहे तब काम कर सकता हूँ, मैं जब चाहे तक सो सकता हूँ.
It gives you the freedom to express yourself also.
Whatever I'm doing is having a direct impact on people's finances and their financial well-being. So that's the thing that motivates me.
Like when you start something, you're sure about a couple of things that would work out. Yeah, and as you move ahead with your job and your things, there are n number of things that come with it.
Doing something that you love and you're obsessed with and be able to kind of earn a little bit from it, I think is a very good feeling.
I love the fact that every day you get to create a new product. It's not doing the same thing over and over again, so I love that.
And what I hate about my job is numbers, because they actually get on my head.
When numbers are doing well, you're the happiest state. When numbers are not doing well, then you don't want to talk to anybody.
Another thing that I'd like to know is what is your biggest financial goal in life?
To have enough money so that tomorrow I don't have to, work to make money, but money can work for me. That's where I want to reach. Basically, that's financial independence, right?
There is a saying that money buys freedom, and I was thinking about the same, and it is true. If you have money, you also get time with it and a lot of freedom. You don't have to really rush. You don't have deadlines.
I don't have a financial goal अभी तक, because जो था वो पूरा हो गया है. बहुत छोटा सा गोल था मेरा, एक घर हो, एक गाड़ी हो, वो हो गया है. तो now I'm like अब next क्या? तो next time running behind satisfaction, happiness, travel कर रहा हूँ ज़्यादा, and जो खुद को content पसंद है वो ज़्यादा बना रहा हूँ.
So I'm someone who doesn't spend a lot, which is probably why I'm a finance influencer. But one of my biggest financial goals is to probably send my parents on a world tour.
See, I come from a city called Mangalore where everybody has been to Dubai. If you are in South Bombay, then probably 1.5 times more than that. That's for sure. छोटे घर में रह लूँगा यार, मतलब दुबई जाना है बस.
How do you keep yourself focused and disciplined in life?
I think it's because of my team. So I've just surrounded myself with a group of people who are really focused, who love their job. So it's me and 6-7 of us. We kind of we work in the same house. They're with us for I think 20 hours almost every day. So everybody's super excited. That's what keeps me disciplined.
For me, I think it's my wife. She keeps me motivated every day. She's like, Varun, you haven't done this? I'm like, yes ma'am. So
Wow.
That's it. Simple answer.
Yeah, for me, the focus comes in creating systems in my workflow. So basically, hire people, good people who can do the job better than you, so that you can focus on other bigger things and create more impact. So I think creating focus is about you creating the systems in place for yourself so that you don't deviate. It's as simple as that. Right?
I would say to do not list. So most of the people, they make to-do list that I have to do this in life. I want to go there. I want to buy this fancy car.
Very smart. Huh?
Yeah, but what I do is to make to-do not list. So I don't want to see me poor. I don't want to see my parents in pain.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this. So that whenever I look at those things कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है, so I get automatically focused rather than
Disciplined is actually what I used to do back in the days. I used to work in the call center. तो हमेशा मुझे वो मोटिवेट करता रहता है कि back in the day you used to work पूरा दिन and you used to get 4,000 rupees. तो अभी क्यों नहीं कर रहा है तू? तभी किसी और के लिए कर रहा था. अभी अगर if you put 9 hours in your own channel तो बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो हो जाएगा. So ये मैं थॉट कंटिन्यूसली याद दिलाता रहता हूँ खुद.
आपको सच में लगता है ज्यादा काम करने से चैनल जल्दी ग्रो होगा?
ज़्यादा काम करो, अच्छा काम करो. एंड अभी आजकल क्वांटिटी को पुश कर रहा है सारे एल्गोरिदम्स, चाहे इंस्टाग्राम हो, यूट्यूब हो. तो आई थिंक ज़्यादा डाला करो. हर एल्गोरिदम को चाहिए कि लोग उन पे रहे. सो कंटेंट डाला करो ज़्यादा.
बहुत हेल्पफुल एडवाइस होने वाली है व्यूअर्स के लिए.
थैंक यू.